Powerful, reliable, and great value, the Buffalo Variable Speed Stick Blender is the perfect solution for rapid food prep in the pro kitchen. Designed to puree, whip, or emulsify up to 120 litres, the blender offers impressive performance, so it's ideal for quickly prepping food straight in the cooking pot. Less mess, less fuss. And as it has a variable speed function that is adjustable between 8,000 and 18,000 revolutions per minute, so you can accurately blend, adjusting the speed during use so you're always getting the results you're looking for. Operation and maintenance couldn't be easier. User-friendly controls combined with the ergonomic handle to make everyday operation both comfortable and strain-free. And once you're all done, the shaft is easy to remove for effortless cleaning. Supplied with triangle blade, emulsifying blade, and quick removal kit as standard. Whisk attachment and wall mount are available to purchase separately. Available in 300, 400, 500mm shafts. The Buffalo Stick Blender is adaptable to suit your needs and is great value for money. All the blending attachments are compatible with the same motor unit.
Shop now at nisbets.co.uk.